Questions C and D for problem 11. Notice these both have fractions in them. So the process is similar, but what we multiply by has to be more creative. Now, the nice thing about these two problems is there's only one denominator that we have to focus our eyes on. Again, if we could make the denominator go away, then there's no more fractions. And that's the goal, is we're going to make a move that is going to manipulate the equation, attack the equation, and get rid of the fractions. Because there's only one denominator here, the decision is easy. I am going to multiply this equation by the number 3. And remember, 3 is really 3 over 1. But let me just show it to you with a fraction. If I multiply by 3 over 1, which is 3 divided by 1 is 3. I got to multiply the left side. So notice I'm multiplying the left side by 3, and I have to multiply the right side by 3. Now, why am I putting it in top over bottom form? Because when you see it here, any number on the top and the bottom that match can be crossed out. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that goes away. Notice I get 2x equals 30 times 3 is 90. This is much nicer than that. Now I divide both sides by 2, and x equals 45. All right, part D, a little bit harder, but not too bad. Again, the reason why this isn't the hardest yet is we have only one denominator. So I'm going to multiply through this entire equation by 5 over 1. Again, I'm allowed to multiply by anything I want as long as I do it fairly and equally. So 5 times that. So I took 5 and multiplied it by x over 5, plus take 5 and multiply by 1, equals I take 5 and multiply it by -6. Now, where you see a whole number, you can put those over 1 too if that makes you feel better. But the purpose of doing these top over bottom fractions is to see that right there. We want to show that that cancels. X plus 5 times 1 is 5 equals 5 times -6, which is -30. Last step, subtract 5 both sides. X equals, be careful, -35. Okay, that is problem C and D for number 5-11.